Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of planning a family trip and take a sneak peek at the upcoming Disneyland Dreams. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about tickets. Guests with existing tickets or annual passes will be able to book their reservations at Disneyland. If you can't make it on your first choice of day, don't worry, you can try rescheduling. And remember, you won't have to present your ticket at the gate, just scan your magic band or use your fingerprint. Now, let's chat about masks. Disney will provide masks for all guests and cast members upon entry. Masks must be worn by anyone over 2 years old, with exceptions for children under 2 and those with medical conditions that prevent them from wearing a mask safely. Mask breaks will be allowed in designated areas. As for dining reservations, Disney is launching an exclusive website called Disneyland Advanced Dining Reservations (ADR). Non-hotel guests can make dining reservations through this site 60 days in advance, while hotel guests can book through the resort concierge 90 days out. Don't forget to cancel any unused reservations through the ADR site to avoid being charged a no-show fee. Lastly, if you need extra help navigating all of this information and planning your trip, consider booking through me. Wink wink. I hope this sneak peek into planning a family trip has been helpful. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content and updates on Disneyland Dreams. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.